The world of reality television is built on personalities who connect with viewer in unexpected ways, and few shows have captured the raw authenticity of everyday struggles the way TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters has. The stars of the show, Tammy Slaton and Amy Slaton, alongside their family members, have invited cameras into their lives as they navigate extreme weight battles, health crises, and personal transformations. But in between the drama and the emotional journeys, fans have often noticed that certain hobbies and side interests emerge, interests that could potentially become much bigger than reality TV itself. One of the most surprising discussions buzzing among fans is whether one particular star is quietly showcasing a hobby that may hint at her future beyond the show, perhaps even paving the way for an unexpected exit. Reality TV fame often comes with unpredictable opportunities. For many, what starts as a simple pastime can become a launchpad to brand new careers. From Bethany Frankel of The Real Housewives of New York turning her cocktail hobby into a multi-million-dollar skinny girl empire to Christine Brown of Sister Wives finding success as a cooking influencer, the examples are endless. In the case of 1000 LB Sisters, fans believe that the star may be walking the same path. Every time she reveals her love for her favorite hobby, viewers connect with her on a more personal level, sparking speculation that TLC may not be her final stop. Let's break down 6 notable instances where her passion became clear and why they might point to a life after reality television. In the early seasons, fans were primarily focused on the serious health journeys of the sisters, especially Tammy Slaton's life-threatening weight and Amy Slaton's chile NGES as she pursued bariatric surgery while balancing motherhood. But quietly in the background, other aspects of their personalities came through. In one memorable moment, the star opened up about her love of painting. It wasn't just a throwaway scene, she described how sitting down with a canvas helped her find peace in a world filled with chaos. For a woman whose every move was being dissected by audiences and critics alike, the act of painting was a form of therapy and expression. Fans began encouraging her online, telling her to share her artwork on social media. Some even suggested she could sell her pieces on Etsy or partner with small businesses to create unique merchandise. What stood out most was how passionate she seemed, lighting up in a way that viewers hadn't seen and some of her more difficult storylines. This hobby was no longer just about self-expression. It felt like a preview of a new identity she could embrace if the cameras stopped rolling. Later on, during a hiatus between filming seasons, she shocked followers on TikTok when she casually posted videos showing her crafting projects. What may have looked like a light-hearted pastime to outsiders was actually evidence of commitment. She spent hours making personalized gifts for friends and family, documenting her process, and interacting with fans who wanted tips. Within weeks, her comment section was flooded with people asking if she planned to open her own online shop. Some pointed out that other reality TV personalities had leveraged similar hobbies into full-fledged businesses. If she could build a brand around her crafts, she wouldn't just be a star from 1000 LB Sisters, she could become a standalone personality with a loyal customer base. This was the second time fans saw her hobby step into the spotlight, and the conversation about her possible future beyond TLC grew. But perhaps the most telling instance came during a candid interview clip released on TLC's social media pages. In it, she admitted that her hobby helped her mentally cope with the overwhelming pressure of fame. She explained that when online trolls hurled insults about her appearance or when the challenges of weight loss surgery became too heavy to bear, she leaned on her creative work to stay grounded. It was a strikingly vulnerable moment that resonated deeply with viewers. Suddenly, her hobby wasn't just a fun distraction. It was a survival tool, a way of maintaining her mental health in a high-pressure environment. Fans couldn't help but wonder if this personal lifeline could evolve into her professional safety net if she ever decided to walk away from filming. The fourth time her passion made headlines was when family members themselves acknowledged it on camera. In a family scene, one of her siblings joked that she was always off in her own little world making things, while everyone else was focused on food, drama, or medical appointments. While it was said with humor, it underscored a clear reality: her creative outlet wasn't a passing phase. It was an everyday part of her lifestyle. Viewers picked up on this detail immediately. flooding fan forums and Reddit threads with speculation that TLC might eventually produce a spin-off Sente Red around her hobby, or that she might leave to pursue her own creative brand. Some even argued that her happiness seemed more genuine when she was talking about her projects than during the dramatic weight loss updates the show was known for. The fifth instance that caught attention came not on the show but through a fan encounter. Photos surfaced on Facebook of her attending a local community fair, where she reportedly showcased some of her handmade items at a booth. Though not heavily publicized, fans who saw her there described her as radiant, engaged, and clearly proud of her work. This moment proved that she was willing to step out of the television shadow and share her craft with real people face to face. It added a whole new dimension to the theory that this hobby could be her gateway out of the reality TV bubble. If she was already testing the waters of small business and entrepreneurship, who was to say she wouldn't one day fully step into that world? Finally, the sixth and perhaps most striking revelation came in a season finale confessional. Looking straight into the camera, she admitted that as much as she appreciated the platform TLC had given her, she sometimes wondered what life after 1000 LB Sisters would look like. With surprising honesty, she hinted that her hobby could become a bigger part of her story moving forward, saying it gave her something to live for that's just mine. For longtime fans who had watched her struggle with self-worth and identity, this was a powerful statement. It wasn't simply about escaping the pressures of filming, it was about finding an independent purpose. For many, it felt like the clearest signal yet that her exit from the show, whether sooner or later, could be fueled by her creative pursuits. The pattern is undeniable. Over and over again, her hobby has surfaced in ways that feel authentic, meaningful, and sustainable. Unlike fleeting interests or publicity stunts, this passion has remained consistent through multiple seasons, social media appearances, and personal revelations. It is exactly the type of foundation that could carry her into a post-TLC future. And considering the way reality television often burns bright but short-lived, preparing for life after the cameras is not only wise but necessary. Whether TLC leans into her hobby by crafting storylines around it, or whether she chooses to break away entirely, the truth is clear: she has already laid the groundwork for her next chapter. For fans, the thought of a major star exiting 1000 LB Sisters is both exciting and nerve-wracking. On one hand, it would represent the end of an era, as her presence has been a cornerstone of the series since its debut. On the other hand, it could be the start of something inspiring, showing that reality TV fame can be more than just temporary notoriety. It can be the launching pad for real dreams, careers, and self-discovery. In her case, the hobby that once seemed like a small escape has blossomed into a defining aspect of who she is becoming. Whether her journey takes her deeper into entrepreneurship, artistry, or even influencer-level success, FANS will undoubtedly follow. After all, the bond between reality TV stars and their viewer doesn't end when the cameras stop rolling. It continues through social media, business ventures, and the ways they inspire others to chase their own passions. For this 1000 LB Sisters star, 6 powerful moments have already revealed the roadmap. The only question left is whether she will take that leap into the unknown and officially begin her exit strategy, or whether TLC will recognize the goldmine sitting in plain sight and turn her hobby into the show's next big storyline. Either way, the stage is set for something far bigger than anyone expected when the Slayton family first appeared on our screens. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.